Taking this, we're going for a ride, man. This guy's so awesome. GTR NISMO. We're gonna see the engine first. So he's popping the hood. Wow. It's not a regular GTR. This is a NISMO. So it's got 600 horsepower from factory. You done anything extra to it or just... Oh, what?
Full bolt-on.
Full bolt-on, okay? We got a full bolt-on here. Alright, we're going inside. Look at this beautiful interior. GTR. Wow, here we go. First time in a GTR NISMO. Sick, bro. Oh, I'm excited. You hear that? That's how we do it. That's how we do it. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Here we go. Right there with the C7. Hey, with the C7. Woo. All right. Okay. It's got some pickup. We're gonna put some traction control off.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. All right, we're gonna launch it here. You ready? We're gonna launch it. Once this light turns green, jeez. Woo! You ain't never been through that, bro. That's insane. Oh my God. All right, we're gonna whip it around here. Holy moly. I'm gonna show you out here. Go ahead.
There's a rolling launch here.
Yeah, rolling launch. Rolling launch here. Woo! Oh my God. That's the GTR NISMO, baby. That's the GTR. Oh my God. This is sick. All right, hold on. Wow, guys. Wow, that was insane, bro. GTR NISMO, bro. It's no joke. 600 horsepower, but this one's getting probably like 700.
More like 900.
900. Oh my God, I didn't know I was in a 900 horsepower car. What the heck? Ah! Oh my God. That's the GTR NISMO, man. We just went for a ride. It was insane. I did not know it had 900 horsepower, bro. This guy, woo! Scared the life out of me, bro. Soul snatching, bro. Look at this. Oh my God. The wing, the massive wing on it, the carbon fiber, the red, the board. Oh, bro, I don't even know what to say, man. Boost logic, exhaust. Oh, I am out of words, bro. If you ever get a chance to ride in a GTR NISMO, please come down to Stunt Street and let yourself have some fun, okay? Well, we out. Have some fun, bro. And Matt Luxury Car Reviews, like and subscribe. Come and see us. We're at Stunt Street. We're going to try to do this every week right here in the beautiful city of Miami.